Tualatin this week.
Cor Harlan is live this morning as the bakers churn out pies by the hundreds. Cor?
Oh man, the pies are here. They're going to make 600 pies in the lead up to Thanksgiving right out here. But this is a Lee Farms classic right here, and this is my favorite. And I'm still waiting for one of these for Christmas. This is the donut robot. They've got it fired up here this morning. Fresh apple cider donuts with a little bit of sugar and cinnamon drizzle on the top of that. Check all that out. I mean, that is the real deal right there. Adam, show the folks to the left there, too, before you leave this scene here, and look at all the donuts coming out of the donut robot. We're here in Lee Farms. This is just south of Meridian Park Hospital. Everybody in Tualatin knows where this is. And this is just some of the things that they do. Fresh donuts here every morning beginning at 9 o'clock, and people do show up here and buy donuts by the gazoobles. All right, Adam, come on back out here. Let's head back out here for pie making. And as I said, they make about 600 pies in the couple of days leading up to Thanksgiving. Annie and her sisters kind of work. Her sisters are kind of sleeping in this morning, kind of bailing on you a little bit.
Yes, yeah.
So you're going to go through 600 pies. You've got still a lot of work to do. You've got 20 or 30 on the rack just since we've been here since 5 o'clock. But tell me a little bit more about what you guys are going to do. You're going to be up very early tomorrow morning.
Yep,
right?
2 a.m. and start making pies all fresh tomorrow morning.
And they'll be fresh, and the flavors are, I mean, we've gone through a lot of these, but give me a quick rundown of the flavors again.
We have marionberry, apple, caramel apple, mixed berry, raspberry, cherry, strawberry rhubarb, pumpkin, pecan. We've got about 20 different flavors.
Let's fire up a couple of these. Well, we got a couple minutes here. We got pie tins over here, and they're all, and these are all fresh pie tins and such like that. We'll pop a couple quick ones out of here. She's been doing this so long that this looks fairly effortless when she does it. When I do it, it doesn't look quite as graceful. All right, how about a cherry pie? You want to hold the mic?
Yeah.
Or are you? I don't care. We can do whatever you want to do. All right. And how many again? How many cherry? This is Ken Body's favorite pie right here. Cherry pie, Ken. This is coming for you. Okay. 1, 2 scoops. 3. So what's your most popular pie? Put the mic to your mouth.
Marionberry and apple, and then the caramel apple for the holidays.
Caramel apple for the holidays. Now, is there enough cherries in that, or you want some more?
Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. That's the cherry pie right there. That is delicious. What else? You want to make a marionberry?
Put a top on
I'll
that?
put a top on. Sure. Let's just do one at a time. You throw it on there. Boom. I've been watching you do this all morning. And then you just kind of
Tuck these in, tuck the edges under.
tuck them under a little bit there. And then just give them the old thumb job, right?
Yeah.
So to speak. That's it's not really good cooking terminology, I guess, but that's what it's going to do there. All right, there it is right there. Your cherry pie from Lee Farms here in Tualatin this morning, Jenny and Ken. Ken, I'll bring this one back for you. How about that? Is that all right? He likes cherry pie, so
Oh, that
take
sounds
all that
like
down
an
there.
excellent
Plenty more
idea.
where this came from.
Yeah, well, don't forget about me. I like
You
the
like
apple
that?
caramel
That's coming
pie.
home. You like apple caramel, all right,
Yes.
Jenny? Here's your apple caramel
Oh,
right
well,
here. The
thank you.
caramel is probably a little hard right now, so we'll microwave it, and I'll bring it back for you.
Oh, good. I just didn't want to be left out.
No, I wouldn't want you to be left out at all. Thank you very much.
Thank